This is Chunky. Chunky's gonna help me make a video today. Hi, Chunk. Chunky, she's a kitty cat. Meow. Hi, Chunk. Chunk has ears right there. Chunky has a nose right there. Where's your nose? Chunky has 2 eyes right there. Hi, Chunk. Where are your eyes? Chunky has 2 feet. 1, 2. How many feet do you have? Chunky has whiskers right there. Look. Oh. They're soft. Do you have whiskers? Chunky has fur. I don't have fur. I have hair. Do you have hair or do you have fur? Chunky has a tail. Where is it? Right there. Swish, swish, swish. I don't have a tail. Do you have a tail? Chunky she has a mouth. Right there. With teeth. I have a mouth and teeth. Where are your teeth? Do you have a tongue? Thank you, Chunky. Bye.